Hi friends, so my name is Asimjan, and as part of this video we are going to learn, or we are going to do the coding of graph in Java, which means what a graph data structure is. So I have covered all the basics, fundamentals and theory in previous videos. As part of this video I'm going to tell you or show you, live coding, so that you'll get better understanding. And I would say you can just code with me, like just pause the video, write the code, run it, understand it, so it will help you. So as part of this we'll cover the creation of graph, then we will traverse the graph using there, like the depth first approach and the breadth first approach. So let's create the graph. Now this is a graph which I have, which has vertices, which has 0 1 2 3 and 4, like 5 vertices. So what we need to come up with is to create the graph. I have a graph class and I just have a public static void main. So I'll create the constructor for the graph. So first thing is the argument would ask for the size, like how many vertices you need in here. So let's say if you say I need 5 sides or whatever is your number, so it would initialize that based on whatever the input you would give. Now for each I told you two ways, there is adjacency list and matrix, so we are going to use list. So if this 0 is connected to whatever number of vertices, we are going to add that in the vertice. We can add more, but as part of this we are just going to keep it simple, like a triangular graph, wherein from 0 you can go 1, from 1 you can go 2, or 1 is adjacent to 0, or 2 is adjacent to 1, stuff like that. So we'll represent that. So for each dot, like for each vertex 0th number, we need to save the vertices. So we would use that using a linked list. So what we would do is we would create a linked list, and then this linked list would be of type integer. So the 0th node would be saved there, and whatever is adjacent or connected to that, we'll save that. So I would say adj adjacent vertex to this, and we'll not assign anything here. What we would do, rather, we would assign it in the constructor. So we would say new linked list. So again, like this is the array of linked list. So I'll tell you exactly why and what about that in a bit. So you have the array of linked list. So this would come as square bracket, and we are all set. This is not required. So this would go like this, and you will have the size here. So basically the generics like this is not required, so we are all set. So we have got whatever the number of vertices, so we have initialized this the array with that. So there are typically we'll have 5, so we need to loop it for 5 times. So why is that, I'll tell you in a bit. So we will loop it over for the time of this, and then we would say adjacency matrix. So now there is adjacency matrix. So what we'll do is we will initialize the linked list for integers over here. So if there are 5 vertices or 2 vertex, whatever, for each dot, like for 0th vertex, there will be a linked list which would get initialized. So it's easier for you to add those dots. So now we need to add. So let's come up with this. So we would say add edge. So what do we mean by edge? So edge in the graph is when you try to connect to two vertex. That is what is called as the edge. So we'll code the addition of edge, and we need 2 points, two vertex. So I would say vertex 1 and then vertex 2. So our zeroth vertex is when connected with 1 will create one edge. So how would we do that? So what we are going to do is we have the adjacency vertex. So first we will bring it for v1 point, and then once we get that, we will simply add the v2 in there. So this way, whenever someone is trying to add 0 with 1, 0 to 3, or whatever they want to add basically here, that's what we would be able to, 0 to 1 and 0 to 3. That kind of edges will get generated. And yeah, this is simple. We will learn about the complex creation when we do the airline project in the upcoming lecture. But again, let me summarize you. So we had this graph, and what we did is we had each vertex. So in the graph, whatever number of vertices, we created an array for that number, and we initialized each vertex adjacency as a form of the new linked list. And whenever we need to connect two vertex, means create the edge, what we are doing in that particular vertex, for example point 0, we are connecting 1 and 3, like here 1 and 3. So this thing should work now. We are connecting 0 with 1 and 0 with 3. So let me debug this, like run it in debug mode so I can show you better. So we are here, and we have the vertex, and in the vertex adjacency we have these 0 to 4, like 5 vertex already created. Now we are trying to add the in the v basically 0 with 2, 0 with 1, and then 0 with so let's see, this is the 0 and it has a linked list basically. Adjacency vertex, this is 0 and this is connected with 1, and once you run this and once you come back, you would have also connected this with 0, with 1 and 3. So this is connected with 1 and 3. So we did a good job so far. In the upcoming video, we would print it and like traverse it through depth first, and we will understand the concept of depth first. Thanks for watching. Bye.